Alright folks, this should be some weight plates from Cap. 4-pack of 10, which, not too bad a deal. I think on good old Amazon, it's $50. Now, I already have like 10 of these, plus I have different brands, so it's good to have more, I guess you could say. We have tons of weights in our basement. This is probably not the smartest way to cut this, and hopefully we won't cut a finger off. That would really suck, right? Alright, so let's get this open. Looks like they're going to be individually wrapped, maybe. Alright, let's see. Get this out of here. So there's a box inside of a box, folks. Alright, let's try this again. So you'd almost thought this box would not have been this wide, right? They would have just stacked 4 10-pounders on top of each other, which I guess they did. So here's our 10-pounders. Pretty nice. You know, for the money, Cap is a pretty good deal. And I could honestly sell off some of my other ones. Seem to all be same quality. So we have a mixture in the weight room of Cap and VTX and Weeder and all kinds of stuff. But that's what it looks like when you unbox those, folks. Thanks for checking out the video. Hope you got something out of it. Please like, please subscribe. Thank you.